Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. As we continue our journey of getting exotic dishes from different countries, today we present chicken Chapli Kebab, a dish that originated from Afghanistan. We upload new videos every Saturday. Please subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest updates. For the ingredients, please check the description section. I will mince the boneless chicken. To that, I'll be adding finely chopped onion, chopped green chillies, chopped garlic, chopped mint leaves, and a little amount of chopped coriander leaves and a little amount of tomato. Then I'll add pomegranate seeds, dry ginger powder, cumin seed powder, coriander seed powder, pepper powder, salt as per taste, and a tiny bit of turmeric powder. And in goes little amount of homemade garam masala powder. I will take one egg, whisk it and scramble it and add it to the chicken mince. Instead of adding the raw egg which makes the mixture runny, I am using a scrambled egg. Then I will take a baking paper to which I will apply little amount of oil, place on the chicken mince, flatten it, and it is ready for shallow frying. I'll add little amount of oil on a skillet and carefully place the prepared kebab and fry till it is light golden in color. Flip it and fry it on the other side. Once done, it can be enjoyed with mint chutney. This kebab is definitely going to be your hot favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit on the bell for the latest updates. Thank you.